What's good, traders? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna trade NFP news, and as you can see, guys, we only got a 4 minutes that's left in order to trade the NFP news. So as we speak, I'm gonna start placing my trades at 29 minutes to I'm gonna start placing my trades at 29 minutes past 2. You know what I'm saying? So I have to do this first. I'm gonna enter investing.com just to have a look the direction of the news. You know how we do. If you don't know how we do, let's do it together. First of all, guys, as you can see, my account right here is 269, and I want to see if I'll be able to double this account through the news. I want to risk this account, guys, so let's do it. I'm gonna enter investing.com just to take a look at the direction of the news. You know how we do. If you don't know how to trade the news, please check my previous videos. I already showed you guys how to trade the NFP news correctly. So as you can see here, we are today, all right, we are today, and you can see that we're gonna be dealing with this one right here, no firm pay lows here. So I'm here to take a look at the direction of the news, guys. If you don't know how to trade the NFP news, how to figure out the direction of the news, please do go check my previous videos on this channel. I already explained everything on how you can be able to identify the direction of the news. As we speak, I already see that actor is lower than previous, so now I already know the direction of the news. So we're gonna go sell all USD currency. We're gonna sell them, and we're gonna buy gold as we speak. So I'm gonna switch 5 minutes. As you can see, guys, the strategy that we're using as well, the mobile strategy that we're using, says that it's time to buy the currency. So let's go. I'm gonna risk the account. I'm gonna use just one lot. Say one lot 0.1 1.0 buy. No way. Oh, 60 shit. 0.60 buy. Oh shit, no way. Oh, 0.40 buy. Yes, this one went to, guys. Let's see. Damn, I want to risk the account, guys. I'm risking this account. As you can see, I'm risking this account, guys. Let me switch on 1 minute. Let me switch on 1 minute, guys. We're gonna risk this account, guys. When it comes to trading, what? No ways, bro. Shit, guys. Yeah, guys, do you see what happened? Do you see, guys, what happened? What? Guys, did you guys see what happened? Shit. Damn, bro. What? No ways. Guys, the news did go up, of course. As you can see, the news didn't go up. It did go up, of course, but the gap, guys, the gap took me out. Look at my account, $20 left. The gap did go up, of course. The market did go up, of course, but the gap took me out, which means the loss size I've used was bigger than, damn, bro. Yeah, man, this is the truth of trading the news, guys. This is the truth of trading the news. As you can see, of course the news did go up, but what happened is I used the bigger lot size, which means the gap that we have on downtrend. Damn, man. Yeah, guys, this is how it goes, man. This is how it is. You know, when you're trading the news, this is how it goes. But I think this is the news that I've lose in this way. I never lose this way, like for real. I never lose this way. Maybe because I usually trade the news with my big account. I never lose the news this way, guys. So guys, look at this. 260 something, only 20 bucks left in my account. Look at this. So of course, according to my balance, maybe I would have been, I would have been, I would have been entered maybe with 0.020, because I've used 0.040. I would have been used 0.020, and by now I have been made money, because the market wasn't gonna take me out. So guys, I hope you learned something. I hope you learned something from this, so proper risk management, guys, is everything. In this account, guys, I didn't use any proper risk management, because I was like, yo, I want to flip this account. It was 250 something like that, so I wanted to put this account on 1K, so this is what happened, as you can see. So, and look at the strategy, guys. The strategy says that it's a strong buy, and you can see now it's already bought. As I said, guys, if you're using this strategy, it can help you to do a lot of things. Look, as soon as the market reach around this area here, you must know that it's a strong buy. You must know that the market is gonna buy all the way to this point over here. You must know that the market is gonna buy all the way to this point over here. Let me show you. You must know that the market is gonna buy all the way to this point over here. So this is how the strategy works. Okay. So as soon as the market reach here, now I know that the market is still gonna give the push down all the way to this point over here. Something like this. You see, something like that. The market is still gonna do something like that. So guys, yeah, this is what happened, man. This is what happened. It's live trading, no way out. We lose the account because we didn't use any proper risk management, because we want to flip this account. This is what happened. So when it comes to trading the news, always keep yourself using proper risk management, and always remember that the account that you're going to use to trade the news is not going to be the same account that you're using to trade the pairs. So you must have different account in order to trade the news, which the news must have its own account, the account that you like, yo, I'm risking this account. If the news goes well, I'm gonna double this account, and if the news didn't go well, something's gonna happen. So yeah, but we believe in making, man, because we're always making. So we just lose this one once, so it's all good, man. Make sure you join the free Telegram group. The link is on the description below. Join free Telegram group, and make sure you use the broker that I use. The link is on the description below as well. Peace out, guys. This is what happened. Zero making. We just left our money in the market today. It's all good, part of the game. Peace out. It's your boy Jubasnet.